This car you see here is having a little problem about the suspension. It's making noise puru, 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 puru. So I'm trying to solve the problem. So after I've checked, I noticed that the thyroid end is already bad. It's weak. So I need to change it. I will show you the one I removed and the new one I'm going to. The old one that I removed from the car. This is Toyota Corolla socket thyroid, and this is the new one I just got. So you can see. So I'm going to fix it now. Let's see how we can. I'm going to fix it right now. That is me here now. You can see me. So I'm professional in this work. So if your car has problem, you can consult me about the suspension, the everything about the car. This car I'm doing right now particularly is Toyota Corolla 2006 model. So I'm ready to fix it. This place you see here is the alignment. So I need to count the teeth to make sure that it's equal to this one, so that the alignment will not scatter. So once I finish installing this tie rod, I will still do the alignment by myself. I'll do it. So if you like this video, please don't hesitate to follow me and to like and share. I'm going to fix the car right now.